Hey everyone, today we're talking about a topic that might not seem glamorous, but is definitely necessary. Trash cans. While they might not be the most stylish item in your home, there are actually some creative ways to incorporate your trash can into your decor. Here are 5 ideas to get you started. First, choose a trash can with a unique design or color that complements your home's decor and appliances. Second, consider hiding your trash can in a cabinet or tucking it under the sink to keep it out of sight. Third, create a recycling station with a dual compartment trash can for different materials, like plastic and paper. Fourth, add a touch of greenery by using your trash can as a planter. With these tips, you can turn your trash can from a functional item into a stylish and practical addition to your home design. Thanks for watching.